Hello there everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to another new video. Right from the title you can make out I am unboxing the new helmet today. Well, I had a plan to upgrade it in March when I bought my new riding jacket. Well, due to some lockdown issues I couldn't buy it because it would make no sense if I had bought then. So I thought maybe now it's the time because everything is getting unlocked now. So before I used to use Honda's helmet, no, it's not Honda's anyway, it's Studs, which is branded by Honda. It came with the Honda's accessories, so now it's very small for my head as I'm using it from 2 years. So the new helmet which I bought is from Steelbird. Well, I'll be showing why it is so different from other helmets in this price range. Well, I'll be going to unbox it, so stay tuned. Guys, this is the box and well, this is the helmet. This is Steelbird's SBH-17 Terminator. Very big name. Show you what all I get in the box. Well, anyway, we get the helmet first. Well, plus we also get extra visor here. So yeah, it's okayish kind of quality, but it's fine. Let's remove the helmet now. Oh man! So this is the color. Wow, I get one clean visor and oh yes, that is a black visor. Fine, wow, that's nice. I ordered black visor actually. It was a black visor, I saw it in Amazon, but anyway they sent me a white clean visor too. Wow, I didn't expect this I would get in the box. Well, so this is the helmet. So I was telling the one important aspect about this helmet is this closed. You know what? Initially I thought only this is the only closing angle. See, I was terrified. What is going on here? Well, here is the thing. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now it's gone. You know what? The best part is, yeah, there. That is fantastic, right? In this price range, like I bought it for 1900, 1800, 1813 or 1913. I don't remember because there was a Paytm cashback, so I don't remember. So this is open. You have to tightly put it tightly, firmly, like this. This was the one of the main reasons why I bought this helmet, and also you can see the cushioning inside. It's very good. Quality is almost similar to that of which previous studs I have. The main advantage is it's bigger in size, and so guys, there are vents here too. This one, these vents, and cushioning inside you can see it here this way. And there is a vent here too. Here I have vent. I can close it like this. I have vents here too, this side, and there is also a window for that. Well, it's a very ventilated one. I'll be mounting a GoPro mount, I think, here on this. I have to specifically mount on this. It's a very tricky job. Well, I have to still try. Or I'll buy that helmet's mount. There is like this one. So this was it. So guys, what do you think about the helmet? And if you are interested to buy one, you can check out the link in the description below. Very soon I'll be doing one more ride, and maybe I'll be testing it out how it is on the road. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the shade visor actually. Oh man, I think I have to remove this. I'm not in the mood to remove this and change it. But well, it's like this black one. I'm not interested to remove it. It is during the daytime. This is during the daytime, and this is during night time, because you cannot watch anything in this visor during the night time. Oh, I didn't put it on my head. Let's try. Oh my god. Man, you people. It's very stiff, man. Very stiff. Yeah, initially it is very stiff because the cushion is very firm. So as the time goes, it may become a little bit loose, but anyway it's fine because I wear a scarf on my head. There we go. It is around 100 and I think 1200 grams of mass. Size is 600 mm. Right. Well, that's it about this video, and see you in the next one. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon also. And if you like the video, then please do hit that like button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button too. No problem at all. So see you in the next ride, where I will be testing out this helmet, and I'll be coming up with a review how this helmet is when on the roads. And initially it looks very sturdy and very fantastic. So see you in the next one.